Okay, from our first tutorial, we've created this shape using the sketch tool and extrude function. Now we're going to add some rounds to this to create a softer shape. So I'm going to select the round tool here, and when you hover over any edge, the edge will highlight green. So the first thing, I'm going to go round the model. So I'm going to click on that edge and I'm going to set this round. Let's see, let's put in 10 millimeters. 10. I'm going to go here, 10. I'm going to get every edge around the model. Be careful what you're clicking on. So I'm going to have to use the wheel, the mouse wheel. I'm going to click that in and rotate it so I can get to that edge. You can see that's selecting the face, that's selecting the face, that is selecting the edge. I just want the edges in this plane. I'm going to go in there and select that. Every one of these is having a radius of 10. So every time I click, it just applies the same radius. Okay, let's put in here, let's go 10. Which one have I missed? I've missed this bottom one. Have I got any others? Okay. Okay, I'm happy with that, and then I'm going to press OK. So, we've applied it. The round now has appeared in our model tree. Now I can go back in. If I click on round and edit definition, I can select a round. So I'm going to make that one, for example, 20 millimeters. And I'm going to make the bottom one, if I click on that, and that's 20 millimeters. Which else should I do? I'm going to do that one. 20. So I can now edit this shape, and I'm going to do that one. 20. So you can see that we can go in and edit after if we're not happy with the shape. I'm going to tick OK, and now we have some of the radiuses at 10 and some at 20. OK, now we know the depth of this model is 30 millimeters. So in order to put a radius around this front edge, you have to be careful that it's not too, the radius is not too large, so that it distorts the 3D form. So I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to now choose round again. Now the last radius I used was 20 millimeters. So if I now click on the front edge, it is applying a 20 millimeter radius. Now it looks quite interesting, but I think it's distorting something here. So I'm going to reduce that number. I'm going to see what it looks like. 10. That's a bit more like it. Okay, yeah, I'm going to stick with 10 on the front, and I'm going to rotate it and also choose 10 at the back. Okay, so now I've got a quite rounded shape. I'm going to tick OK, and now I've got a kind of a softer shape with no hard edges. Remember, you can zoom out with the wheel, zoom in with the wheel, and double click the refit, and we have our S shape. Remember to take print screens, or you can right click the model tree at any point and show the iterative process through print screens of what you have produced. Okay, that is the end of this tutorial. A simple tutorial to show how to add rounds to soften this three-dimensional form.